Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up limit, market, and stop orders on Kraken. So what you're gonna do, verify your account and everything, and make sure you deposited some funds. Next, hit your favorite currency pair, let's say BTC USD. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice. So study the market before you execute. So let's say I'm gonna buy. Select the type of trade you want, right? Limit, market, or even stop orders. Okay, you can see right here: stop loss limit, stop loss, take profit limit, trailing stop, etc., etc. So if you selected the type of trade, scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see TPSL. So we're gonna set the stop order or the TP and stop loss. So instead of no, I'm gonna hit simple, into the percentage, 22%, 15%, okay? And then hit buy or sell the coin. If you mean by stop orders that you want to execute a stop order, just hit limit instead of market or limit, hit stop loss or stop loss limit, etc., etc. Okay, so basically start executing and you're gonna see your order here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.